phonics time! Hello everybody, this is page 52 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and today we are doing the Let's Read, that's phonics, section of Unit 6. And this section dealt with the short vowel I. I. In your student books, the words and sounds were like this.
I. Igloo. Bib. Big. Pit.
Okay, let's try it together. Part A says circle, so we're gonna circle one letter in each column to make the word. And this is a pit, which is a big hole. So we got P-I-T, pit. Number 2 is this picture. It's a bib. Babies wear it so that they don't get food on their clothes. Let's circle the first column. B. There it is. B. I. Good, now we have B, bib. Bib. Good, bib. And the last one, this is big. First column, we're looking for B. There's B. Now we need I, B. Good, B, big. There it is, big, big. Great. Just like that, part A is done. This is part B, and it says match. So we're going to read the word and then match it over here to the correct picture. Pit matches down to this hole, which is a pit. A pit is a hole. Number 2, bib. And bib matches to right here, this cute ducky bib. Number 3, igloo. Igloo. This is an igloo, a house made out of ice. Number 4, big. He is big. Done. Okay, we're done part B and we're done the phonics page in our workbooks. Nice job.